Hi, I'm Pavel. This is the Participation Architecture API, governance middleware for Arbitrum DAO. In this video, I'll show you how to go from zero to your first API call in about 5 minutes. The API gives you two things: a deterministic triage feed for governance proposals, where each proposal gets a priority score and labels telling you what kind of review it needs, and a delegate fatigue index, which measures how much cognitive load the current governance activity is putting on delegates. Let's get started. First, we clone the repo and create a virtual environment. You'll need Python 3.11 or later. No external API keys required. The governance data comes from snapshot.org, which is public. The dependencies include FastAPI, SQLAlchemy, and PyYML. Lightweight, no ML dependencies. The rule engine is fully deterministic. Now let's fetch the governance data. This script downloads Arbitrum DAO proposals from snapshot.org and stores them in a local SQLite database. You should see about 400 proposals ingested. These are real Arbitrum DAO governance proposals going back several years. Now we start the API server. You'll see the startup banner showing the rule engine version and fatigue engine version. Let's make our first API calls. Health check first. You can see the database is connected, proposals loaded, and both engines are initialized. Now the most important endpoint, the proposals feed. I'm filtering for proposals with a priority score of 80 or higher. Each proposal has a priority score, labels like protocol, upgrade, or treasury tier 1, reasons which are the rule IDs that fired, and recommended handling telling you what kind of attention this needs. This is fully deterministic. No AI, no randomness. Same proposal always gets the same score. And the Delegate Fatigue Index. This tells you the overall governance workload right now. The formula is right there in the response. Fully transparent. No black box. FastAPI also gives us an interactive Swagger UI at /docs. Every endpoint is documented here. You can try requests directly in the browser. That's the Quickstart. You have a running API with real governance proposals, a triage feed, and a fatigue index. In the next videos, I'll show you how to integrate this into a notification bot and how to customize the rulebook to add your own triage rules. The repo is on GitHub. Full documentation is in the docs folder. Thanks.